drunk in the bloom, glass feather weather. Soft static prayers in a lemon sky. I swallowed a compass made of sugar noise. It pointed nowhere and everywhere at once. Blue smoke alphabet running through my teeth, spilling small galaxies into my sleeves. The floor forgot how to be a floor, so it became a river of polite lightning. And I walked it like you knew my name, even though my name had turned into rain. Something like yes, something like spark, something like laughter, forgetting the dark. Random light engine, spin me through velvet nonsense. I belong to you. Paper thunder, crystal sound, turn me inside the upside ground. Random light engine, don't explain, paint my silence in neon rain. If it breaks, let it break in song. I was never right, I was always wrong. A clock made a jellyfish learn to sing. It taught the moon how to unhappen things. I shook hands with a floating idea. It tasted like memory but never appeared. A staircase dissolved into polite applause. In the air wore shoes made of tiny laws. I followed a door that refused to stay still. It opened like a question with no free will. Something like drift, something like flame, something like forgetting my own name. Random light engine, spin me through velvet nonsense. I belong to you. Paper thunder, crystal sound, turn me inside the upside ground. Random light engine, head explain, paint my silence in neon rain. If it breaks, let it break in song. I was never right, I was always wrong. I unraveled the misplaced time. I drink the echo of a purple sign. The universe hurts up a laughing star. It tells me I've already gone too far. But far is just a color I wear in my mouth. So I swallow the north and head further south. Run a light engine, keep me straight.